Oh, excuse me. No, I'm okay, but you might be wearing a little too much perfume. uh, well, maybe if I just ask the flight attendant, maybe there will be another. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Well, I know it is a long flight. Let me just see if the flight attendant can help. Yeah, yes, ma'am. I was wondering, are there any other seats available? I'm afraid my seatmate's perfume is irritating my allergies a bit. Okay. Well, if anybody volunteers, please. I don't want to bother her. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I'm going to try and hold them in. Yes, well, I'm sure your boyfriend doesn't have these kinds of problems. Oh, well, thank you. It's nice to be told I have a good sneeze, I guess. Never had that kind of compliment before. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't think I can hold him in like that. Oh. Oh. Yes. Wow, you mean nobody wants to change seats? I guess they've already figured out what they're in store for if they're wearing perfume. Oh boy. Well, thank you for checking. Well, I apologize for you being stuck with this. I'm not sure if this is going to stop the whole way. I must say, you seem to be taking this in stride for somebody who's getting sneezed on by like this. If I didn't know better, I'd think that maybe you were actually enjoying this.